All right, welcome back to Dash for Adventure. We've been working in Vegas. Wow.
Yep, we are done and tired, but we're going to a client's house and then off to Bryce Canyon National Park.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be great. But before we leave Vegas, we have got to get this van washed. It is nasty. Want to see it? Here, look. Look how nasty this thing is. Really want to see something gross? Look at all the dirt up there from washing the windshield, and the dirt just sticks to it. Man, this thing is nasty. And we're getting cleaned. That's a good looking clean job there. Man, now that is a clean van. Check out those wheels. That back window looks great, all that. That windshield and that roof, look at that, that's great. Let's get on the road. Last time we were here, we stopped at a food truck at that Flying J, or it's Love's, and had some of the best street tacos we've ever had. Look, it's the world's largest beer can. See it? Laying down? Wow. Interstate 15, headed towards Utah, goes forever. All right, headed towards Mesquite, Nevada. And check this out.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
There's some camels down there somewhere.
Yeah, we said we were going to do that the next time we came out here.
We did, didn't we?
Oh, that's so beautiful. It's kind of an optical illusion. If you look at the ground angled up towards those next mountains, this road going down, and all the different colors. That's so cool. All right, Mesquite, thank you so much. We really enjoyed last night with our friends and clients at their house. We're gonna head on out of Mesquite and head to the Virgin River Gorge. Hope you guys will like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the comments. Thanks for watching.